Introduce highlight features or overview summary for H-Duka 1800W Smoothie Blender and Grinder Combo. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: ultra powerful performance. With a robust 1800W motor reaching speeds up to 28,000 RPM and 3D. 6-leaf stainless steel blades. This high-performance kitchen blender for smoothies pulverize ice, frozen fruits, nuts, and tough ingredients effortlessly, delivering ultra-smooth textures for creamy smoothies, silky nut butters, and refreshing frozen drinks. The corrosion-resistant blades stay sharp for long-lasting durability. Blender and Grinder Combo. This versatile countertop blenders includes 2 specialized containers. A large 70 ounces pitcher for creamy milkshakes, smoothies, baby food, frozen desserts, soups, nut butters, sauces, hummus, dips, protein shake and fresh juices, plus a separate 20 ounces dry grinding cup for nuts, spices, coffee beans, and grains, effortlessly handling all your wet and dry blending needs in one powerful system. Customizable blending. This smoothie blender features user-friendly controls with smooth dial adjustment from gentle mixing to powerful blending. The 5-minute timer allows easy operation, while the pulse function delivers precision processing, ideal for creating chunky salsas, silky purees, or evenly mixed batters. Easily switch between continuous blending and quick pulses to achieve your desired consistency. Effortless cleanup. Say goodbye to messy cleanup with our self-cleaning blenders for kitchen. Simply add water and let the professional blender clean itself in seconds. The pitcher, lids, and tamper are all dishwasher safe for your convenience. Note: the grinding cup is not suitable for self-cleaning or dishwasher use. Made with durable BPA-free materials that stand up to daily use. Ideal choice. Effortlessly blend nutrient-packed smoothies, creamy soups, and homemade sauces in seconds with our 70 ounces or 2 liters pitcher, perfect for 6 to 8 servings. Save time with one batch blending, no more multiple cycles. Ideal for busy families, meal prep, or gatherings. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.